In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send files to somebody on Snapchat. So if you are wanting to send photos, videos, etc. to somebody on Snapchat so they can download them on their side, I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video. So first of all, what you will need to do is head over to your Snapchat app. Once you open up Snapchat, you will obviously be on your camera page here, and now you will need to head over to your profile, and you can do this by going to your Bitmoji in the top left hand corner. Once you are on your profile, you now need to scroll down and find your friends list. So as you can see, I will now click on friends, and then once I click on that, I'm going to click on the three dots and click on recently added friends. Once I do that, as you can see, I have changed this person's name to tutorial for a video I did previously. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this person. So what I can do if I want to send files to this person is simply click on the icon right next to the smiley face. Once you do that, it will bring up all of the files that you have in your camera roll or saved to your mobile, and then you can click on the ones you want to send. Once you do that, you can click on that arrow icon, and as you can see, I have sent these screenshots to this person. So it's just simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.